Ever wonder why two heat pumps can look identical on the outside, but one is secretly draining your bank account every single month? Most homeowners assume that as long as it blows cold air, the name on the cabinet is all that matters. In the HVAC world, that assumption is a trap that can cost you thousands in both energy bills and repair risks. I spent over 17 years in the field, starting out as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. If there's one thing I've learned, it's that technical specs do not care about brand recognition. We are looking at two very different ways to approach heating and cooling your home: the Lennox Merit Series ML14KP1 and the Liberty GLZS5B. When you walk up to these units, you'll see they both use a louvered steel panel design. That means the most sensitive part of your system, the coil, is protected from hail, neighborhood kids, and weed whackers. It's the difference between a heavy-duty cage and a flimsy wire guard that leaves your fins exposed to the elements. But here's where things get interesting. We need to talk about efficiency, specifically the HSPF 2 rating. HSPF 2 tells you how much it is going to cost to keep your family warm in January. The Lennox is coming in at a 7.5. The Liberty is hitting an 8.2. That is a significant jump in performance, and it means every time your heat kicks on during a cold snap, the Liberty is doing the same work while putting less strain on your electric meter. Now, do not go reaching for your wallet just yet. Both of these are basic tier units. That means they are single stage systems, either 100% on or off with no variable speeds. You do not get the fancy variable speeds that eliminate temperature swings, but you also do not have the massive repair bills that come with high-end electronics. So what are you actually paying for? Lennox is a flagship brand, while Liberty is a value brand produced under the Daikin umbrella. It's the same engineering philosophy you'll find in higher priced labels, just without the massive marketing budget attached to the nameplate. Let's talk numbers. For the Lennox, you're looking at an average equipment cost of $3,782 and a full system installed at about $8,550. The Liberty comes in significantly lower at $2,998 for the unit and $7,100 for the total install. Even the best system fails if it is not maintained. A dirty coil or clogged filter forces the compressor to work twice as hard. That cuts years off its life. Keeping airflow clear is the only way to ensure these specs actually matter in the long run. Both brands offer a 10-year warranty on the compressor and parts, but Liberty takes it a step further with a 10-year unit replacement guarantee. That means if your compressor fails in year 9, they are not just sending you a part, they are giving you a whole new outdoor unit. Lennox is built in Mexico, while Liberty is put together right here in the USA. When you factor in better efficiency, a superior replacement guarantee, and a made in the USA, a tag for $1,450 less on the install, the choice becomes very clear. Winner, Liberty. In the battle of basic units, Liberty wins on every functional metric, offering higher efficiency, lower monthly bills, and a 10-year unit replacement guarantee. You are getting more tech and better protection for a significantly lower price. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com.